that nourishment that will lead you to Shakti, Bhakti, Mukti. That's the role of Ganga Devi. If you don't have that setting, then you are following the law of karma and you are moving towards Dakshinayana path. But when you follow the role in the correct way, then you are following the path of Uttarayana. And coincidentally, you have Makar Sankranti festival waiting for all those who are devotees of Hindu culture. And that means commencement of the end of that cycle of time where day has become extremely shortened, night has become very big. But now it reverses. Night getting shortened and daytime goes on increasing. That's an allegorical picture of Uttarayana Marg, implying you lived a world of karma before, but that world of karma is now gradually declining. And the world opening up to God realization is waxing. One is declining, another is expanding. And that commencing state is Sankranti. Makar term is also very mystical. The spiders are called makaras, makar. They create a website in which they themselves get trapped. Souls under the grip of sakamya karma, of pravritti, souls under that grip, they are in that state of spider creating a web to be trapped. You are working as a spider and your mind goes on creating a lot of websites. Like Google. Your vritti is Google's up countless scenes of misery. So that whole process reverses with Makar Sankranti. So it's a matter of great celebration. Only thing I am adding, that not to wait for Makar Sankranti. Study Mahabharata, whether it is Makar Sankranti or not. Study it in a deep winter. Study it during springtime. Study it in January. Study it in December. In other words, if you are spiritually advanced, sensitive, create Makar Sankranti every day and celebrate it.